This is the day your journey as a seafarer truly begins. From leaving your family to finally stepping inside the ship. It's not just a process, it's an emotional experience you will never forget. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tintin and I share real life experience and practical advice about working on a cruise ship. In today's video, I'll share my real sign-on day experience from the airport all the way to stepping inside the ship. I still remember my very first sign-on day. My parents brought me to the airport and honestly, I couldn't stop crying because I knew I wouldn't see them for 6 months. That moment hits differently. You try to be strong, but deep inside, it's heavy. But this is something you need to understand. You have to be strong because this is the life you choose. This is for your dreams and for your family. After that emotional goodbye, you go through check-in, immigration, and board your flight. While sitting on that plane, you realize there's no turning back. When you arrive at your destination, you go through immigration, claim your baggage, and someone picks you up and brings you to your hotel. You'll stay there overnight before joining the ship. Sounds relaxing, right? But the truth is, you cannot sleep. Your mind keeps thinking, what will happen tomorrow? Will I be okay? Can I handle this? Even if your body is tired, your mind is wide awake. This is it. You wake up early, prepare everything, double check your documents, then you ride the bus going to the port, and then you see it, the ship. I remember being so amazed at how big it was. My first cruise ship was Radiance of the Seas. Seeing it for the first time, I didn't feel real. That's when it hits you. This will be your home. When you arrive at the port, you go through security, document checking, and crew check-in. Everything is fast. Everything is new. Then you go to your cabin, meet your cabin mate, and receive your first instructions on board. After that, supervisor or senior staff from your department will guide you around the ship. Since I was in the bar department, we walk around all the bars inside the ship. At that moment, everything feels overwhelming. So many places, so many things to learn. Next, you attend the sign-on meeting. They explain the rules, safety procedures, and talk about master drill. This is very important because safety on board is serious. And then, just like that, you go straight to work. No long adjustment, no time to relax. I remember my first day, I was really tired from the travel, from the emotions, from everything happening so fast. And when I went to bed that night, that's when I felt it. Homesickness. It was quiet and I started missing my family. Then the next day, you wake up, training, work again. That's how ship life begins. Sign-on day is not just about arriving. It's about leaving your comfort zone, facing reality, and becoming stronger. If you're about to start your journey, be ready, not just physically, but mentally. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Are you ready for your sign-on day?